You know that lungs are made with alveoli. The parts of lungs starting from larynx and trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and lungs. Trachea is a C-shaped cartilaginous rings are there. This cartilaginous ring-like structures prevent the collapsing from lungs. Once it won't collapse like a rubber tube. Besides that, one tube is attached now. That tube is known as esophagus, otherwise known as foot canal. So both are parallel to moving down, but these two are separated by the epiglottis, that you know very well. So this trachea is divided down into two sub branches, into that right lung one and left lung one. Right lung and left lung, that sub branches of trachea is bronchus, otherwise known as bronchi. So that bronchi again divided into inside the lungs three more sub branches. That sub branches are otherwise known as bronchioles. Bronchioles are ended with alveoli. So these lungs are made with alveoli. These lungs are made with alveoli.
Okay.
And one more important thing is that already lungs are covered by two membrane structures, that is known as the pleura. Pleura is outer covering membrane of lungs. That pleura filled with pleural fluid. When any sudden spontaneous unhappenings and accidents prevent that pleura from that shocks. And another important thing is, right line is three lobes: upper lobe, middle lobe, lower lobe. There are three lobes: upper lobe, middle lobe and lower lobe. Left lung, one is upper lobe, lower lobe. So this it is a type of dividing structures already, nothing but fissures. That is, one is oblique fissure, horizontal fissure. But oblique fissure is both lungs, lower lobe, but a horizontal fissure is only in right lung, nothing but in upper lobe. Next, another important thing is, inside that lungs there are so many small air sacs like structures. That air bags are nothing but air sacs, nothing but alveolus. Alveolus singular, alveoli plural. Now how it expands we will show now. Once if we inhale, the lungs are expanding.
So another time.
Again it will remove, it will come to normal position. Once again observe. Now trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs. This is the pathway of air. Any more doubts about this?